Okay, again, we have continue with previous product life cycle. Okay, in this graph, as you can see here, the blue this baby blue graph line is indicate cash flow. So at this stage, your cash flow is lower compared to your cost and revenue. Okay, so normally dekat sini ni we are suffering losses lah. And here when at the maturity stage, the line is keep increasing, and up to decline stage it is decreasing, start to decrease until, as you can see here, the right one, it is the loss lah, because cost lagi higher compared to the cash flow. Okay, and here we are having apa, uh, profits when cash flow higher than cost. Okay, so this is net revenue and this is the loss lah. Okay, and okay, at introduction stage, normally fine tuning may warrant unusual expenses because we are still having the research, product development, modification on the product, and supplier development. Okay, and at growth stage, product start to stabilize, and more forecasting needed to do, and adding or enhancing capacity at growth stage is necessary. Okay, at the third stage is maturity stage. Competitors now start to establish, and high volume. We can produce high volume as much as possible and do innovations on the product, and also improve cost control, reductions in options, and start to paring down product line because we have to focus on a certain product only. Okay, at this decline stage, unless product make a special contributions to the organization, otherwise you have to terminate lah or stop producing the product at decline stage. Okay, I will skip this one. We are not covering this course. Alright, so now we move to product value analysis. So normally for analysis for product value analysis, we list the product in descending order of their individual dollar contribution. So how much they can contribute the profits and the revenue tu lah. Okay, and then we list the total annual dollar contributions, which is for 1 year. So annual is for 1 year. Okay, and the last part, what we can do with this analysis is it helps the management to evaluate the alternative strategies. What are the strategies that suitable for the product? Okay, so as you can see here, individual contribution for each types of chair at this Sam's furniture factories. So as you can see here, the highest contribution is recliner, but for 1 year, annual contribution, so armchair is the highest product that can give value or money to the Sam furniture companies. Alright, now we move to new product opportunities. In order to come out with a new product, so we have to understand the customer needs and wants. What customer wants, what customer needs, and what are the current trend. Contohlah, dulu kita tak ada produk service Grab service, Panda service, and due to the demand, to the creations of this kind of customer, so some people invent the service. Okay, and economic changes, so we need to look into the economic changes, because economic is something that ups and down. So as we can see here, for current situations, we are having a struggle with the pandemic punya effect lah. So there are um, there are business that going up, there are business going down. Alright, and the third one is sociological and demographic changes. So we need to see what people's trend, what people needs, ataupun what people what kind of people that will use the product or services. And the fourth part is technological changes, whether we do have enough technology with the capacity lah. Tu on technological. So kalau dulu kita tak ada pun online, but nowadays most of the thing are online, educational online, the service are given towards online. Okay, and the next one on political or legal changes. So we need to see the political issues, political factors, situation in certain countries. Okay, and the last part is market practice and professional standard suppliers and distributors. So what are the current practices lah, whether we can set up the business or this product or not. Sebab some of the companies or some of the industry itself, they are the restriction. Okay, so in order to create new product, what we need to do is brainstorming. Brainstorming is everyone will sit together and they will come out, each of these member will come out with their own ideas without spin judging lah. So dia akan contribute the ideas. Dia bagi je idea tanpa filter lagi. Okay, why a new product is important? Because we want to have profits to make a new thing in the market, to bring new thing in the market and to create profit. Okay, so this one I will skip this part just to show the examples of companies punya milestone. Cisco ni yang buat computerized system. Okay, now we move to product development system, whereby we start with the ideas. Of course, it will start with the plan ataupun ideas. Okay, and then with that ideas that we have, okay, idea ni datang dari mana? From brainstorming. So we do as much as possible brainstorming with our members, with our departments, and it goes to the ability, and then we will look into our ability to produce certain product lah. Ada skill tak? Do we have enough people, or do we have enough skill, enough technologies to create that kind of product? That is ability. Okay, and then it go down to the customer requirement, whereby in customer requirement is what customer need at that time, what customer wants to use. Okay, and after customer requirement, functional specification for specific function lah. Kalau buat kereta, mestilah kereta yang selamat, to prevent something, maybe to prevent something. Sebab innovation atau invention ni comes from problems that we want to solve. Okay, and then it goes to the product specification, and specific product lah. Kalau nak telefon yang tak payah tarik-tarik, just cakap lah, Siri je yang cakap contoh. So that is specification. Okay, then it goes to the design review and test market, whether it is acceptable or not in the market, and we do introductions lah. So introductions into the market and evaluation, whether it is this product or services solve the problem or not, whether we have in more people ataupun we have what are the achievements on the evaluation part ni. Ada tak achievements? And then if we don't have, we need to again to brainstorm and do innovation lah on the certain areas. Okay, so as you can see, the orange part is the scope of product development team, which is product development team will consider all these factors starting from customer requirement and evaluation. So in this blue rectangle, so we have scope for design and engineering team because of functional specification. Yang ni semua orang engineering yang faham nak buat macam mana. So engineer, basically it comes from the engineers.